In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Many of you ask me in the comments how to manage auto rotation on HUAWEI devices. That's because in HUAWEI case it's a bit confusing. You see, usually when you go into tab menu and click on gray shortcut, it turns blue and that means something is enabled. But in case of HUAWEI and auto rotation, it's the other way around. Over here is orientation locked shortcut. When you click on it, it turns blue and little padlock closes. That means that your screen is locked in this orientation, so auto rotation is off. To enable it, tap on blue shortcut, open padlock, and then you are free to rotate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!